Habba Khatoon, also known by the honorary title the Nightingale of Kashmir, was a Kashmiri Muslim poet and ascetic. She was the wife of Yusuf Shah, the last emperor of Kashmir. She was born in a small village in Pampur, Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir. Her real name was Zoon, a common Kashmiri first name. She grew up in the midst of the saffron fields and in the shade of the chinar trees. She was not raised as a typical peasant girl. She had learned how to read and write from the village Maulvi. At an early age, her father married her to a peasant boy, but this illiterate peasant boy could not keep Zoon happy. He could not understand the longings of her heart. Just like Laldet, Zoon also was sad. Zoon divorced her husband and started singing songs in Kashmiri. Zoon used to sing in the shade of a chinar tree. One day, Yusuf Shah was out hunting that way on horseback. He happened to pass the place while Zoon was singing under the chinar tree. He heard her melancholic melodies and went to look at her. He was stunned by her beauty as soon as their eyes met. They fell in love. Later, Zoon and Yusuf Shah were married. She changed her name and became Habba Khatoon. Habba Khatoon kept Yusuf Shah under her control. The couple was very contented and Yusuf Shah became the ruler of Kashmir. However, they were separated in 1579 after the Mughal Emperor Akbar had Yusuf Shah arrested and imprisoned in Bihar, never to return. After this, Habba Khatoon became an ascetic and spent the rest of her life wandering across the valley singing her songs. Habba Khatoon composed songs in Kashmiri. It is claimed that she introduced Lol to Kashmiri poetry. Lol is more or less equivalent to the English lyric. It conveys one brief thought. Braj Kachru states that Habba Khatoon and Arnimal perfected the Lol form of Kashmiri poetry. There is some dispute about the historical accuracy of Habba Khatoon's biography. However, the songs associated with her including Mihakar Sikit and Sekamyo Sonimyad are widely popular across Kashmir. Her songs are frequently mournful and full of the sorrow of separation. Her tomb lies near Atfajan on the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway. She has a profound presence in the oral tradition and is hailed as the last independent poet queen of Kashmir. The pyramid-shaped Habba Khatoon mountain located in Gurez, Kashmir was named after her. Poetry of Habba Khatoon. Raha bakshtam sari parvardigaro, sikyo vatiyo myane marna. O Allah, forgive all my sins and show me the right way. What will you gain with my death? Sipartr mar parmak ano, firno kunigum zir zabri. I read the all 30 parts of Quran Sharif without making any errors, checking the each and every verse carefully and reading it faithfully. Hope you liked this video. Please share with everyone and don't forget to subscribe our channel and push this bell icon to get video notification of our latest videos. Thank you.